Introducing the Moretoes Cake Boxes with window. The perfect solution for all your bakery and gifting needs. With 24 quantity pieces, these cake boxes come with beautiful handmade, with love, stickers, making them the ideal choice for adding a personal touch to your gifts. The size of these boxes is 10x10x5 inches, providing ample space for pies, small cakes, donuts, biscuits, chocolate, candy, and more. The transparent and clear window opening allows for easy visibility of the items inside. Crafted from environmentally friendly high-quality cardboard material, these cake boxes are safe, reliable, and durable. They are easy to assemble, as they come flat and pre-folded, with a flat package that is simple to fold and assemble. And when you don't need to use them, you can unpack and flatten them for convenient storage. These cake boxes are versatile, making them suitable for various occasions such as weddings, baby showers, birthdays, parties, bridal gifts, and holiday celebrations. In fact, you can even personalize the baking gift box through DIY with the help of a brush and sticker. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for use in other countries. It is always recommended to check compatibility before making a purchase. The Moretoes Cake Boxes with window have received positive feedback from customers, with a rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars based on 7,898 ratings. They are currently ranked as the number 1,719 bestseller in the industrial and scientific category and number 17 in bakery takeout containers. These cake boxes have been available since May 16, 2019, and are here to enhance your baking and gifting experience. Purchase now with the short link https://amzn.to/49shog and add a touch of love and elegance to your treats and gifts with the Moretoes Cake Boxes with window.